Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing this Brother printer. It's going to be a lot of fun. No, it's not. But we'll go ahead and give it a shot. Looks like we've got the manual and some CDs and all sorts of fun stuff, standard shit. And this is the hard part here. Toner cartridge. And the printer. And that's it. It looks pretty good. Take some of the stuff off. Yeah, it's supposed to be a simple laser printer. This is the monochrome, which means it only prints black and white. The cartridge lasts up to like 3,000 pages, which is what I wanted. The cartridges really aren't that expensive, only like 30 bucks or so. I think that might be for the only 1500 or 101. But I prefer the lasers over the inkjet, just because I don't want to have to be bogged down with those those ink costs. They can get kind of ridiculous sometimes. And the other thing is, I don't really do any, photo quality printing. I don't see the need for them. Just like pretty much standard printing is what I do. If I need something that's like photo quality, I don't see why you would print it on your own printer. And it's probably easier just to go to like Walgreens and get it done there where they have the big printers. Okay. But this part right here, the scanner, is really useful. And I don't think it comes with a fax, because who the hell faxes anything anymore? You'll scan it and email it if you really need to. This is for more like high resolution scanning, which you can't do for your phone. But still, it's the same stuff. If you can't use your phone to take a picture of it, then you'll scan it. Anyway, it looks pretty good. I think the tray will hold about 1 ream of paper, which is all you really need, and it looks pretty good. I think it requires a network connection. I don't remember if it's wireless or not. Oh, it is wireless. But either way, I don't care if it's wireless or not. But yep. Anyway, that's it. And this is the Brother HL-L2380DW. I think it looks pretty good. Alright. So now we need to install a toner here. So I gotta pull this thing out. Then I believe this thing comes out next. And this is the toner cartridge here, so we'll have to open that up. And oh, I guess we don't need the knife. with that easy tab thing. Okay. That thing comes off pretty easily, and I think this has to slide into the other one. So it's usually pretty simple. Yeah. It's gonna go just like this. They lock in. They only fit in one way, so you really can't break them. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to release it here with this thing. Put it right back down. Lock it in. Good to go. Shove it back in here. Cool. All right. When we get that all set, let's power this bad boy on. Maybe it'll print something for us. That'd be exciting, wouldn't it? And paper, I need paper too, so let's turn that on. Oh, look, it works. Let's see here. Now we need to put some paper in it. So, pretty standard stuff. Let's close the lid here. And I'll take this ream of paper. Make sure it's all nice and flat on all the sides. Do not want to go in there. Uh-oh. Don't tell me it doesn't want to go in. There we go. I wanted to go on the other end first. This back end here. So I think it looks good to go now. Shove this back in the bottom here with a tray of paper. Current tray setting is plain letter, paper, letter. Yes. No, I don't want to change that at all. Do you want to show this question again? Not particularly, in case I have a need to. I'm not sure. Does this thing have a? Does one of these things pop off in the back? I don't think there's ever a need. Yeah, it does. It has a little thing in the back, so if you need to load lots of different paper, you can do so. So let's go ahead and scan something here. Let's see how that works. We've got the bag. Go ahead and throw that in here. Copy. Start. This is the very first test print. So I don't know if the toner needs to line up or warm up or go through a cycle or something or not. Throw all this extra junk away. Reload paper in tray. Oh, I already did that. Maybe I didn't do it right, or I jammed it. Okay, now it looks good. Got a strong fan coming out of the side here. No paper again? No, I'm pretty sure there's paper. Maybe I didn't put it in right. Let's take a couple pages out and see if that helps. like it came out. That looks pretty good. I mean, I did photocopy a bag. So, really, you can't be that upset with the quality. I don't have anything else I really want to copy right now. Not that I wanted to copy the bag in the first place. Alright, so throw those out. Guess I'll put this paper on top of it, and then I'll find a place for it later on. But yeah, it looks like a pretty decent printer, to be honest. So I got the printer set up now. Let's give it a good test print. I mean, it should be like the test print before, but we'll check it out anyway. And let's go ahead and print. I'm just going to print an email. Oh, there, it came to life. That's pretty cool. I was thinking before. I don't have the wireless on, but it's using just, Cat 5 to the router. Set up extremely easily on the Mac, which is great, really. Okay, let's see here. It looks pretty good. You can tell that the grayer fonts are, something that I was trying to, I guess, the colors and everything. That's about it. This is just one of those form notifications, but still, anyway. But I think the print quality is pretty good on this. This is exactly what I want it for. I don't really care about the color, like I said before. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with it so far. As long as the toner keeps going for, I don't know, however long, I'll continue to be happy. But I don't print very heavily, so I was kind of hoping this would be like, hey, I need it once a week or twice a week or whichever, and you kind of keep going for at least a year based off of 1,000 pages. That's pretty much what it is. In fact, I even thought about turning it off for a little bit because I don't use it that often. So I could actually hard power it off just to save those extra couple of watts, but I don't know what the standing power consumption is without when it's in standby mode. We'll have to see. Alright, well, I think that concludes the review here and unboxing. I know I tried to end it a couple of times, but I just kind of kept going with it. But we'll see. Alright, thanks guys.